All right, let's look at these numbers here. Okay, so what number should come next? Now you can pause the video and give it a try. Okay, so we have 7 to 10. Okay, 8, 10 to 8, 8, 11, 11 to 9, 9 to 12. Okay, so 7, 10, 8, okay, 11, 9, 12. Okay, now before we continue, if this is the first time of watching my video, please subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. All right, thanks for doing that. Okay, now to start, let's look at the difference between the first two. So 7 to 10. Okay, we have plus 3. Okay, so it means 7 plus 3 is 10. Now let's go to the next one. Now 10 to 8, it means it's down by 2, so we have minus 2. Okay, now let's go to the next one. So 8 to 11 is plus 3, so we have 8 plus 3 making 11. Okay, now let's go to the next one and then we conclude. So 11, 9, we are down by 2, so minus 2. So look, we have plus 3, we have minus 2, we have plus 3, we have minus 2. So guess this side will be plus, okay? Then this side will be minus. So we have plus 3, minus 2, plus 3, minus 2, plus 3, minus 2, plus 3, minus 2. So this side will be minus 2, okay? The next one will be plus 3, as simple as that. So minus 2, this side will be 10, okay? And this side will be what? So you can put the answer under the comment.